Friends, this is Nurullah from Abu Dhabi. How are you all? Some time back, I had an opportunity to undergo a training program in Abu Dhabi in a training center, which was giving me a meritorious and rewarding experience, and I learned a great deal of lessons from it. Which, out of the experience that I had, I thought I would share a few points which I thought would be of help for someone who is having the same requirement. See, when I went for this training program, the program is about the presentation skills. Presentation skills both through electronic means. For example, in Microsoft tools like PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint slides, and also in general presentation on stage in front of audience. So it's a wide topic, presentation. And the presenter, he is young, energetic, so charismatic, and so influencing person. And the way that he delivers the lessons all through the course duration of the couple of days, he himself sets an example on how a presenter should look like and how a presenter should be delivering or imparting the message to the audience when it comes to several aspects of presenting, including but not limited to the straight eye contact with the audience, the body languages, and avoiding the fillers. I mean, frequent usage of some words that's trying to fill the gap, and body language, gestures, and using the hand for doing the gestures while you talk something. So I was having one question at the time which I raised to the trainer, because I was quite curious and enthusiastic to know, because I was having one thought at the time that my body language, whenever I talk something, it is odd, it's awkward, it is odd, and it is getting seen by others in a negative way. I don't know whether it was true, whether I was thinking in that way with inferiority complex, or it might be the fact that others were looking at me in that way, which would have caused me thinking so. So I raised this question to him: what is the best way to improve the body language while someone talks? Is there a specific pattern to wave the hands corresponding to what one talks, and how to improve the body language? Then when he asked me to do a mock presentation, to do a sample presentation from my side in front of the audience of 5-6 people, he told me, actually your body language doesn't look odd at all. So it was my thinking, actually, at least, and it relieved me a lot. Then he told me there is no such hard and fast rule and rigid rule that a person while talking should wave like this or like that in a specific manner. Whenever the presenter stands up to deliver the message in front of the audience, automatically, out of the practice, the message that he is going to deliver has a strong affinity, affiliation, corresponding association with what he is going to deliver, and his body language. So his body language has a strong relation and linking with what he is talking about. So whatever he is talking about, the body language gets fine-tuned to try to synchronize properly with what he talks. So it doesn't have to be really this way or that way, A, B, C, D in a preset rules, not like that. For example, one example, he said, for example, in one sentence, someone is thinking in that way, their thinking process is not that good. So this sign or gesture is specific and inherent to one person, while on the other hand, the different person may wave his hand in a different way, and both things will convey the message with correct expression and reaching the audience with the equivalent weightage and the intensity. So the body language, there is no hard and fast rule. This is the great lesson I learned from him. It can be anything. Only thing is, while you talk, automatically, your hand waving gestures, the patterns, it gets synchronized. This comes out of the practice. The more you practice, the better and the more fine tuned your outcome, your nuances, your right waving, or more confidence level, and um, increased enthusiasm, increased confidence in delivering the message. And during the full duration of the course, he sets example, and I was closely watching and monitoring him, what he waves, what he does, and it was a great piece of cake for me, and I was loving it more than the lessons that he was teaching us theoretically, and he himself is an example for what he teaches. So I was looking at him practically, and that itself was enough for me to try to learn things on how he presents. And it was such an amazing couple of days class, and I learned a great deal of lesson. I just thought it would be of use for someone who starts their exercise of delivering the message, someone who stands up in front of the mirror to try and do an attempt to do a delivery of message in front of the audience. This are the small tips and tricks. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this. Have a fantastic evening ahead.